Hey guys, how's it going? I think I've been doing way too much shopping and way too little playing, but regardless, these boxes got to get open. So let's talk about this a little bit. It's a BBE Acoustimax Sonic Maximizer Acoustic Signal Processor Preamp deal. I thought I got a really good deal on it. I bid like 50 bucks or 51 bucks and then won it, and then all of a sudden I saw the shipping's like $80. So I had to work that out with the shipper and got the shipping down to 20 bucks. So just a tip, sometimes if you end up with really ridiculous shipping, talk to the seller, you can work that out. I've never tried the other way where they've paid way too little shipping. In that case, I always end up eating it. But I guess I could talk to buyers. I don't know. Alright, so this knife is the worst. I think I must have made it really screwy at some point. And yeah. Taping this up with masking tape, that's fun. Alright, so I like this one because it did come with the box. I can get it out, the original box. And I think for 50 bucks, this is quite a deal. I don't know how much they were new or are, if they're still made. But, oh, $150 it says. That's the original sticker, so. This one's obviously used, but we do get some sort of AC adapter that's been smashed, kind of crushed. And we get this. I was expecting it to be a white, but it looks like it's an off gray. And I haven't used one of these before, but let's see. On the back side, we've got power, we've got a ground lift, we have a phase, a DI out, a 12 dB pad, a pre-post, line out, effects loop, tuner. So I'm guessing the effects loop is one of the insert cables. You can just use an insert cable to do that. I'm not sure yet. I haven't gotten into effects loops quite enough yet. Alright, let's look at, well, the sides. You got output, input, easy peasy, and then a mute and a sonic maximizer. That's strange. I would kind of expect this to be like a preamp on off. Alright, so gain, let's set these all at 12 o'clock. We're at 0. Treble, mids, bass. The knobs feel really well made. The potentiometers feel good. Frequency, and then these are going to be the sonic maximizer frequencies. This is probably a master. Volume, low contour process. These are definitely sonic maximizer. This notch, I'm not sure. Alright, so let's see what else we got in the box. Warranty card. Rockhouse, VOD's Rockhouse. Bought it. Must be where they bought it, I don't know. What is this? Okay. A guide to everything BBE. Let's see, I got one of those. Benoit balls. Benoit. They got a cell phone? I don't know what that means. Yeah. I've got a regular sonic maximizer signal processor, like a 362 or something. 482, 462 or 482. Yeah, I got, I don't know. I don't think I have any of these. I've got some crappy BBE pedals. Alright, more house rock. I don't know where Vada's house rock is, but the rock house. I don't know how to read either. Alright, so owner's manual, obviously useless to me because I don't know how to read. And just a little presentation piece. Oh, that's probably how that's supposed to go. Alright, let's put this stuff kind of back. This probably went behind it before it got crushtified. Alright. Alright, I want to set this aside and plug in. I'm going to plug in my 12 string, the Angelico acoustic guitar. Alright, so here's kind of what it sounds like, just straight in. Okay, so we're gonna go input. I think we've got a problem. I don't think this guy works, so... Oh, one more thing. We could try using that cable that came with it, because this might not be a 9-volt power supply. And it came with a 12-volt power supply. So let's see if we can bend these back into shape without ruining it. So that's one good thing to know. This is a 12-volt pedal, not 9 volt, like I had assumed. Alright, let's see where we get. So now the clip light isn't stuck on. Let's put everything back to 0 or unity or 12 o'clock or whatever. So if you don't know what a sonic maximizer is, it's a aural exciter or just an enhancer. Basically, it changes the timing at which certain frequencies come in to provide the best sound, I suppose. So that's what the effect technically does. This will give me a notch in frequencies between 70 Hertz and 250 Hertz. This is going to be master volume. Yeah. Okay, and this mute switch does just mute it. So yeah, it's just going to be a preamp, so just gain, treble, mid, bass, frequency, volume, and then with a sonic maximizer in between to really clean things up. Alright guys, I'm glad this worked. I'm glad I thought of the fact that probably doesn't run on a 9 volt battery, 9 volt AC adapter. And thanks for watching. Bye now.